Hello and welcome to Barcelona's famous highlights. The La Boqueria market is really worth a visit. The juices looked amazing. There were also plenty of meat snacks. The seafood selection was the most outstanding. My boyfriend got himself a meat snack which he rated an 8.5 from 10. I had to try the oysters, which were really good. Afterwards, we went for a walk through Barcelona streets. And found the Placa Reial, translated meaning Plaza Royal. Later we went to the famous Casa Mila from Antonio Gaudi. The architecture is outstanding and from the early 19th century. I highly recommend seeing Gaudi's famous buildings from inside. It's worth it. On the rooftop of Casa Mila and included in the ticket is an amazing lounge area. It was beautiful, with the blue sky and some of the white stones glittering in the sunlight. Also included in the ticket was a sort of Gaudi experience. You go with a group into a cube room and get to experience visuals resembling Gaudi's genius mind in a trippy way. I wouldn't book the cube experience by itself. Later in the evening was a light show on the rooftop of Casa Mila, which you book extra. It was quite romantic, but not so impressive, but it did offer an amazing view of Barcelona. I would only book this if you care more about the atmosphere than the show. Later that night, we went to Casa Batllo. The Casa Batllo, also named House Batllo, is a residential and commercial building designed by Antonio Gaudi in Barcelona's Eixample district. It is considered to be one of the city's architectural masterpieces. The Cube experience was great, but not an essential thing to do in Barcelona. The Balloon Museum was fun and interesting. All of the children toys seemed like straight out of Wonderland and a bit spooky. One of the main attractions, a giant ball pit, was lots of fun for children. But us grown-ups nearly drowned. We only managed to get out together. Barcelona evening beach walk, 10 from 10.